Have you ever wondered why are we learning a new language? Why English is always taught as the most convenient new language? Was learning English an easy task? Or maybe to go a step forward or further, was teaching English an easy task for you? Ever stood confused regarding the approach to be adopted while teaching English in a multilingual scenario like ours? Are you interested in learning the wide and developing methodologies and techniques of teaching English language? The course focuses on the scope of the practical implications they assure. This is an important aspect. Each unit shall have a minimum of 8 topics that will be discussed by expertise. Due assignments, both in the form of objective and subjective evaluations, will be provided during the term. Since this is an online course, self-assessment would be an important component of this course. So my dear participants, I welcome you again to this massive open online course titled Pedagogy of Teaching English, and I hope you will have a wonderful experience of exploring different aspects of teaching English language. Happy learning. Thank you.